Hi everybody and welcome to Artisarium. My name is Robin and in this short video I'm just going to show you how I built my shelf/workshop table. So stay tuned to see how that works out. Why do I do that? It's just nasty. Nobody should do that. If you do this, stop doing it, okay? It's just nasty. Right. Don't do it. Ugh. Okay, so we're done with the basic structure of the shelf and it actually turned out really good and I'm really satisfied with the result and it's actually sturdier than I thought it would be. It took me 3 days to finish this. It took some time to bore all the holes and put all the screws in and everything. But I mean, it's worth it. I've done this myself and it's my design and that feels so good and that's why I'm showing this to you. But I'm not done with it. I'm gonna put up some grid on the backside so I can hang stuff. And also I'm gonna put up some lamps on top here so I can see what I'm doing when I'm working, right? I think we're done for this video. I'm not done with the shelf yet, but I've come pretty far and I got the grid up so I can put all the tools up. And I also got the lamps here. And I'm really satisfied with how this works, and I think it's gonna be a perfect place to do all my projects and everything. I think I got a cat here that wanna come down now. Wasn't it fun up there? Okay, so anyways, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Subscribe. Bye. What are you doing, Pascal? What are you doing? Say bye. Say bye. Bye. Bye.